Everyone online is hyping up Claude as the smartest AI ever made, but there's one thing almost nobody in the trading world is testing. Can Claude actually build a profitable TradingView strategy completely from scratch without you writing a single line of code? So today we're putting Claude to the test, and by the end of this video, you'll see the exact prompts I used, the strategy I created, the real backtest performance, and whether Claude actually deserves a place in a trader's workflow, or if the hype is completely overblown. Alright, so I've got Claude open here. So we're going to be asking Claude, you are an expert TradingView PineScript developer. Write me a complete working PineScript version 5 strategy for a 4-hour Bitcoin USD chart. The strategy should use the following: the 50 EMA, the 200 crossover as an entry signal, and use ATR based stop loss and take profit. Include a strategy title, and be ready to copy and paste directly in a TradingView's Pine editor with no errors. And as always, add comments explaining every single section. So we'll let that run here, and we're using the Sonnet 4.5 model here. And as you can see, Claude is already building our strategy. And while it's building this out, let me explain why I chose a specific strategy for the test. Now, the EMA 50 and 200 crossover is one of the most well-known trend following setups in crypto. It's not exotic, and that's actually what works in our favor when testing AI. If an AI can get a simple, well-documented strategy right, it's not ready for anything complex. Okay, this is looking actually pretty clean. We can see that we have our version of the PineScript here. We have our strategy names. It'd be called EMA crossover with ATR risk management. We do have our comments here with our EMA settings, the 50 and the 200, ATR setup, as well as telling us completely the calculations for the indicators. We want to go a little bit more into the math side of it and the actual coding. And we also get entry conditions, which are going to be the most important here for our strategy. We're going to be the crossover here. And as well, we have risk management, etc., strategy execution. Now, as you can see, the comments are pretty useful. And what we'll be doing now is copy this exactly and jump straight into TradingView. So here we're on TradingView on the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart. So we can even go towards a 2 hourly. And we see that the strategy here has been seeing a drawdown of around 14% here, with a max equity drawdown, or the max loss was around 22% here. And it executed around 33 trades. This did underperform here, but this is why we have Claude. So simply by just analyzing, so as you can see, we have it uploaded onto Claude, and we will write the following prompt here. The backtest shows a decline of around 14.49%, and max equity drawdown came to be at 22.64%. And we only had around 30% of the trades being profitable. Based on the screenshots provided, optimize the trading strategy here. So now we'll go a little bit further, and also we'll be screenshot this important information here, which is the performance. Right here, we'll screenshot this as well and upload it onto Claude. There, as well as the most important performance benchmarks. So I think it's roughly around here. Exactly here, the win to loss ratio. This is very, very important. Upload it to there, and we'll simply allow Claude to optimize this strategy. And usually takes a little bit like a minute. And here we can see, right? So Claude is telling us that based off of backtest results, the strategy is clearly underperforming with a negative 14% return, only 30% win rate. The main issues are identified as well by Claude. One, there's too many losing trades, large drawdowns, and EMA crossovers are lagging indicators. So here it's telling us of a more optimized strategy that is going to include RSI to assess oversold and higher levels of trading here, as well as a volume strategy, which is quite innovative here on part of Claude. So we'll let that generate, and we'll be adding this into TradingView. So as you can see, Claude Code made the strategy completely profitable. We have inserted it now into our trading view here on the PineScript. We only updated the version up to be version 6 in order to comply with the most recent updates here, but everything else should be maintained. And if you want access to complete code, it will be available to our Patreon memberships, as well as our slides and in-depth analytics on this overall strategy. But you can see here, taking this off the screen, looking at our total return, it came at 67% return here with a max equity drawdown of 7%, way better than the prior results here. Now, this overall indicator here strategy made us do around 130 trades, and the profitable trades was around 43% here, and profit factor came in closely to 2. If you scroll down towards the most important metrics here, towards the overall here win to loss ratio, we had a total of 130 trades. The majority of them were losses, but we won a higher amount based off of the indicator compared to the losses. So we lost less, and this just made us highly effective when it comes to this overall trading view strategy. As well, if we go towards the here return of max equity drawdown, it came around $8, and any type of equity drawdown duration claim around the 118th day here. But overall, the strategy has worked, and we have been seeing a very nice return here on Bitcoin here, especially when it comes to the daily chart. So is Claude 4 good for building TradingView strategies? In my view, I believe that it is. In my testing, it writes cleaner and more readable PineScript than ChatGPT, and it iterates better than older models, and still outperforms Gemini for trading strategy development. Now, if you want to automate strategies like this for yourself, check out the free starter guide linked below. And if you enjoyed this test, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which AI model or strategy I should test next. See you guys in the next video.